Reality check. I'm 65 years old. I've lost 230 pounds. I used to weigh 98 pounds. Now I'm 168 pounds. I used to be in a wheelchair, but I got two new knees. I did a year of physical therapy. Now no more wheelchair. Yes, that's 230 pounds gone. So trust me, I know stalls. I mean, it's taken me almost 12 years to get this weight off, and believe me, there were several stalls along the way. Some of them lasting a year or two. Yeah, that was rough. Here's the part that nobody warns you about. When you lose weight, when you get smaller, your body needs less food. Light bulb. Click. I could not believe that. I was like, rude, but true. Yeah. Of course, I should have figured that out. Yeah, I should have figured that out on my own, but no, I had to read it. So if you're still eating like, you did 50 pounds ago, 100 pounds ago, 200 pounds ago, and you're not adjusting your movement and increasing it, well, you're going to have a stall. Yeah. You're going to have a stall. Yeah, the scale just sits there judging you. I hate that. Ooh, that was rude too, wasn't it? Sorry. Oh, sorry. Yeah, it's just data. The scale's just data. You can't ever count on that, the 5-10 pound radius. That's not failure. That's not failure. It is math. It is biology. It is science. So you just gotta adjust. Now, I do water aerobics. I go to the gym. But, some days life happens. I don't have a ride. I don't have a way to get there. This happened Wednesday. I was supposed to go. The pool was closed. No ride, bad weather. Sit down, Debbie. I've had to adjust. I've been working out these little ways to work out at home. I don't walk a ton, but I've got new knees and I'd really like to keep them. I'd really like to keep my progress up. So I'm just studying and reading everything I can, and I'm learning the science, the biology. And I'm having some light bulb moments that, okay, click it in. So I've stopped punishing myself, telling myself what a failure I am and why can't I get past it. And I started doing something smarter now. This last week, I've been adding more protein, drinking more water, moving more. I've been more conscious of the food that I'm eating, trying to eat healthier food. Yeah, more protein. I've been doing like 10 minutes after meals, I'll just start marching. If I'm watching a TV show, I'm doing something different. My light strength training, sitting up and down, just on my bed. I'll just stand and sit. Not perfectly. I'm not perfect. I'm just trying to add it, incorporate it in, and we're going to see how this works. So if you are stalled, don't panic, don't quit, don't starve yourself. It's just adjust, pivot a little bit. We'll always figure this out. Move a little bit more, just a little bit more. Yep. Try to find healthier, healthier food. Add that protein in. We're just eating lots of, the price of groceries right now. try to stay consistent because stalls aren't the end. They're just our body saying, hey, adjust, readjust. And hey, if you're new here, my name's Debbie Garcia. I'm the badass baby boomer. I've lost 230 pounds. I got 2 new knees. I did a year of physical therapy and no more wheelchair. And if I can lose 230 pounds at 65, you can absolutely keep going. I know you can do it. Join my school community. I have a school membership. Link down below. Okay, end of coaching session. You're welcome. Subscribe. Come back. I'm going to have loose skin removal surgery. I have so many new things coming up, and I just want to share, and I just want to help people. I have some new members in my group, and I'm just so excited to get started. I'm just so excited to, it's a whole new group. We're beta. We're learning it together. You know, okay, I'm learning all this stuff at 65. I'm learning all of this stuff. All new. And it's exciting, and it's exciting, and I'm really excited to see where it goes. I just picturing myself in 6 months, maybe a year. My future self, I should have my loose skin surgery over, hopefully my new hips, just be in the tip-top shape as I can get in, the tip-a-toppus. Okay, you know what I meant. Yeah. We're doing this. Sexy After 60, weight loss, my channel, also my membership. Bye, you guys. Have a wonderful weekend.